Hi everyone, I'm back with another wildlife origami video, and today we'll be making a fox, as you can see, and it's a two-parter, but we'll do it all in this one video obviously. And yeah, basically let's jump straight into it. It looks like a very interesting origami to make. And like usual, starting off with a square piece of origami paper, we're going to fold a Blitz base first. So I'm gonna fold it in half diagonally both ways. Then after that, we're going to fold all four corners towards the center point of our piece of paper. And yeah, this is our Blitz base. So starting with the, oh my god, I can't pronounce this. Starting with the Blitz base. After that, we are going to fold one flap to the back side. So just pick one of them, and we're basically going to just fold it in the other direction, like so. And then with the rest we're going to leave as is. We're going to fold diagonally both ways to just like that. So kind of just like refolding along the folds we just made on this model. Then flipping to the other side, we are going to fold the edges. So the edges of these triangles kind of like in towards itself, so ever so slightly. So just zooming in so you can see properly, because it's literally just on the edge. We're going to fold this. So like so, like that, and we're going to do it the same to the other side and try and not rip it. Then just kind of squeezing the top here where it meets. When you fold both sides, like so, just kind of, I guess, pushing, squeeze, and then push the tip down to just kind of flatten it. Awesome, so like that. And then, oh yeah, we're gonna crease this in half. Just again, just refolding along the creases we've just made basically. Then unfold again, and then after that, gonna fold the tip before collapsing like a water bomb base. So we're gonna fold the tip up to here of our model. So like up to here, roughly, we're gonna fold it to. Trying to fold it as even as you can as well. Basically, this should be how your head of your fox looks once you've blown it up. So there's actually another way of folding this. So to do that, I'll have to just like unfold part of the model and I'll get it back to the position before we were making the water bomb. So now that we've got it back to this position like at the start, the alternative is that we push these sides in. So the side where we have like our intricate folds will be pushed in, both these sides. So I think this means refolding this part actually, and this will then start collapsing down. If I had folded these properly, it's because I folded it the other way. Now the creases are used to being folded that way. So then this will be on one side of the water bomb base, and then we're just gonna push this side in. So then flatten again. So then this time it's on this side. I'll fold, and then kind of just following from before, we're gonna fold this side up, the right side first, then the left side, and then tuck this in behind to lock into place. So this is how it should look. And then if we flip it round, do the same, except it's the left side up and then the right side over, and tuck the right side in between the flaps, if I can do that. Awesome, so then this is how it should look, this time with some whites on the ears. And then again, we're gonna hold the ears, and basically here the hole at the front, we're gonna blow it open. Like that. And I think because I folded it like that time, it's much easier. And you're gonna see this flap here, we're just gonna open it up, and this is gonna form the jaw of our fox. So folding it that way, you actually get a jaw for the fox, and then you can, like, you know, readjust it as you see appropriate. But this is basically our fox head, and it looks really cute. I mean, you can do it either way, whether you want a jaw or not, it's up to you, the preference. I'm gonna go with this because it's super cute. I haven't folded the fox head like this before. So then that's our cute little head right there. The next thing we are going to fold is the body, like I mentioned, which is the final thing. So grabbing another square piece of paper, putting our fox head to the side for a sec. We are going to start on the blank side and fold it in half diagonally. And then afterwards, we're gonna fold the bottom corner up slightly. So it's a bit of like guesswork how far to fold up, in all honesty. And I'm kind of just refolding it a bit. We're going to flip it round to the blank side and fold either side towards the center of our piece of paper. that, and then we're going to fold these two sides here, these diagonal sides, towards the center. It should meet up, at least this bottom part here should meet the center. Cool, and then we are gonna fold these sides up again, these corners, so then this time these long edges here should meet the center. So just kind of pinching and grabbing the bottom so it doesn't flip up as I do that. So then that's how our model should look now, and we basically then want to flip round and fold the model in half, so from point to point, fold, 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 and we then want to fold this in half, this whole model, so just kind of following the center crease like so. And then what we're going to do is separate the tail, so we're going to grab this inner point, this inner fold, I mean not point, but I guess you're grabbing the point of the head, and you're just going to separate them a bit. And as we do that, we're going to fold this like kind of edge up to kind of like form basically the legs, and we're going to do the same on the other side. And by folding it up, you should be able to somewhat stand it up, I believe, like that. And we're just going to attach the head. I'm trying to figure out how. I guess it's going to have to be very like that. Cool, so that didn't take too long. Basically I kind of just like bent the tip here and slotted it in, so instead of kind of looking upwards, it can kind of look at the side, which I think, to me anyway, it seems better than looking upwards, because it seems so strange. And I guess you could put a hole in it, like I did mention as well, but putting to the side for me seems fine. It's better than looking awkwardly craned upwards. You might need to attach it on properly, because it seems to be you know, not staying together when you do that, so I'll quickly do that again. So yeah, this is how the final origami looks. I put some sellotape on the back, which could be way better applied, but like, you know, I kind of quickly put it on because I want to do the ending of the video and not long this out, as I usually think two-part origamis are longer to do, and I kind of like it being put on the side ahead so I can probably show you guys a lot of like the standing origamis I usually can't. I have to like do another video footage on my phone or something to show you, but yeah, it looks really cute, and I really love the gaping jaw. That is my favorite part of this model. It's so cute. And yeah, like usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this video, or recommend me anything you like, and thumbs up this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more origami videos like this and other sorts of arts and craft video I post on here. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope you see you next time. Bye.